Free motion or vibratory motion. Another name for oscillatory motion is called vibratory motion. Another name for oscillatory motion is called vibratory motion. Good. Now, this is the movement of an object in a fixed point. This is the motion of an object in a fixed point. In a fixed point. It is a motion that normally repeats itself in an equal interval of a time along the path. It is a motion that normally repeats itself in an equal interval of a time along the path. And then that is what we call oscillatory or vibratory motion. Now, what is oscillatory or vibratory motion?
Oscillatory or vibratory motion. This is the motion of an object in a fixed point. It is a motion that normally repeats itself in an equal interval of a time along the path.
Again.
Oscillatory or vibratory motion. This is the motion of an object in a fixed point. It is a motion that normally repeats itself in an equal interval of time along the path.
Good. Examples: to and fro movement of the swing pendulum. Later we still perform that practical. If you push it like this, it will go like this, like this, like this. The movement to and fro of single pendulum is an example of oscillatory motion. Then, if you pluck violin, you know violin or guitar, the string will go up and go down, go up and go down. The string will vibrate. By the time the string vibrates, it will bring sound, and then we call it vibratory motion. So we combine oscillatory and vibratory motion together. So we call it oscillatory or vibratory motion. Again,
this is the motion of an object in a fixed point. It is a motion that normally repeats itself in an equal interval of a time along the path.
Good. Now, random. That's zigzag. Something that no zigzag manner is called random motion. Random motion is called random motion. Random motion or zigzag motion. We can call it zigzag motion, we can call it random motion. This is the movement of an object in a zigzag manner. This is the movement of an object in a zigzag manner. Movement of an object in a zigzag manner. Now, or without any motion that no have specific direction is called random motion. What is random motion?
This is the movement of an object in a zigzag manner or without a specific direction.
Without no specific direction. Again.
This is the movement of an object in a zigzag manner or without a specific direction.
Or random motion. With zigzag motion often exhibited by gas molecule. Zigzag motion often exhibited by gas molecule. If you open the gas like this, the gas will spread like this. Gas cannot go in a straight line. It cannot rotate. It will spread. It will go in zigzag manner. So zigzag motion often exhibited by gas molecule. or irregular manner. This is example of zigzag motion. Then rotational motion. I told you fan blade rotates. You can see it rotate if they on it. Fan blade rotate. This is the motion of an object in an axis or ellipse. This is the motion of an object in an axis or ellipse. This is the motion of an object in an axis or ellipse. What is rotational motion?
This is the motion of an object in an axis or ellipse.
Example: the rotation of fan blades in a fixed position. You can see we fix it. The rotation of fan blade in circular motion. Number 5, circular motion. We have motion that occur in a circle. I explained it before. This is the motion. This is the movement of an object in a circle. This is the movement of an object in a circle at a constant speed. This is the movement of an object in a circle at a constant speed. What is circular motion?
This is the movement of an object in a circle at a constant speed.
Again.
This is the movement of an object in a circle at a constant speed. Example: Earth rotates around the sun at a constant speed. Earth rotates around the sun at a constant speed.